Nongaiktien ke National People's Party ubah bajok pingrop ula Pynshai ba Shimlasei ketulop ke ban riulak tyngka Shibanai kum chairman jong ka Regional Planning and Development Council na kebenta ka rilom KHASI kum balakam da ka Neutrap Youth Council. Abakren shikala patai khubor ne ka sngi ubah pingrop ula ong ba usuba ba kadon ka ke ba rie shalendat na ba ka HYC ka kadau tang ke kerteng jong bat jong usi barim ka GHADC urakish ke sangma wala ki don bungut ki basha thung na ki seng riulom kat kum ka jingetu jong ka pisa ka ba riulak tam ka ba ula sei ka deiru ka bala pelut agaban siu ya ketulop jong ki nong tray casual ka ba ula thung ba kuntup ya pion unongnya kali office assistant but personal assistant.
And to clear the air to the people of the state, I would like to clarify that it's not 6 lakhs salary that I draw per month. Even the President of India also doesn't draw 6 lakhs. It's around 5 lakhs salary. So I feel that at least the HYC should not mislead the people of the state. I am not the only political appointee as a chairman in the state. There are so many other political appointees from different regional political parties who are there. But why target only me? Maybe there is a hidden agenda behind. That is up to them. But me as a youth leader, the Honorable Chief Minister have seen my caliber, my capacity, and that is why he deemed fit to appoint me as the chairman of this particular council.
President